This is a quick review of this set of modern dining room chairs. This is the beige color. I'd call it more like a light beige or a cream color. There is another beige that's available. It's like a modern beige, I think they call it, which has more of a gray tone to it. And then there is two other colors, which is like a gray, like a medium gray, and then a dark gray as well. These are pretty cool. They're sharp looking. They all have black legs, kind of a modern design here. This arced little section that kind of shows up when you kind of look at it from a little bit of a distance. They have this nice seating area here that's a round in shape, obviously, and then they have this low back to them. The nice thing about it is they have this like textured, kind of soft, like a beach towel feel to it. It's very nice. The cushion is all the way through here, maybe about 4 inches of cushion, and there's probably about 2 inches of cushion on the backrest. You can kind of see here in the back. Assembly was pretty easy. It's only about maybe 8 to 10 screws here per chair to get this put back together. There are some zippers on the bottom of the backrest. You could remove this cover of the backrest and wash it if you needed to. You can kind of see them over there. They are sold in sets of 2, 4, and 6 as well. So you can buy more of them if you wanted to get a full set of dining chairs. As far as dimensions, they are circular, so the diameter is about 20 inches. This lower backrest is about 12 inches off the seat area, and the width of that backrest is about 18 or so inches. And then off the floor, they are at 20 inches at the floor for the seating surface. Just a nice, interesting looking, kind of modern set of dining room chairs. Pretty cool.